What's up, Walker family?
What's up, Walker fam? Driving in Memphis, Tennessee is a little crazy.
It is way crazy. There's a car pulled over up there in front of us about every few feet, I feel like. So,
Uncle David and Aunt Sherry are watching our kids.
Yes.
And, you better stay in your own lane, buddy.
We are contemplating.
We're going to go visit a place that y'all tell us to go to all the time.
Yes.
So, it's going to be just a short vlog video.
We gotta do it for you guys, because you guys will know if you're not new, you'll know exactly what we're talking about. If you're new, you'll figure it out.
You'll see when we get there.
Yes, you will.
And right now we'll just kind of chit chat on the way there.
Yeah.
Oh, we are on 72 West right now.
We are looking.
We got 14 miles to go, but it's going to be a 26 minute drive.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Right now traffic's moving pretty slow. Like normally
it's
these
like
people are like
90.
on the stomp on the right pedal, go. Guys.
We're
at
inside
Ikea.
Look what I found. Ikea cookies.
Ikea cookies.
People are staring at us like we're crazy.
We don't care. Let them stare.
There's some things just don't. Guys, it's real serious.
We gotta find a chair, Willie, Edwin. We're looking for a chair from Ikea. Maybe.
I don't know.
Possibly.
Oh God, there it is again. Chris is like feeling awkward. Okay. So yeah, they have shoes, guys. Shoes at Ikea. Da-da-da-da. Look at all this. Oh look, there's a room. This is a room, y'all. This is pretty cool. There's a bed.
This is like an apartment layout
Like a box
built
thing.
by Ikea.
There's furniture. People. So this is like a little apartment. There's a bed. There's a kitchen, a whole kitchen, you guys. Holy moly. Lovely pictures. There's a big old closet. It has shoes in it. I don't want to open it. It has clothes in it. I kind of feel like I'm in someone's house. It's kind of creepy. Yeah. Oh, look at the toilet. It's really weird because it's like a set up apartment. It's kind of awkward. Look, see? There's even someone's drink. It's a little weird. Here we go. I think he found his chair, guys. It's not gonna break. Oh, okay. Maybe don't do that.
Just flow through and won't know.
There's no, it'll be a breeze. We're lost.
In Ikea.
No, we're lost. In a different state.
In Ikea. Why? Why did you send us to this place? It never ends.
There's people behind
They
us.
do have everything from like beds and chairs and cookies and Swedish food and pillows and blankets and dishes and
They get the point. A hand. A hand.
It's a hand.
An IKEA hand.
Ikea hand.
Yeah, we're truly lost, you guys.
Yeah, this place is really big. It is.
The only way I'm
Most
gonna find my way
definitely.
out is by staring at the ceiling and looking at the tiles and hoping, or they're not tiles, but the wood, the metal, to try and find my way out of here. Cause
Yeah, guys, it's bad. Oh, we're in the office supply section now.
I think we've gone to this area like 5 times.
I don't know. It says continue going this way.
Something's 99
Oh,
cents.
we're in the trash can.
There's a dog butt.
Exercise.
Okay.
Dog butts.
So,
That's funny. It's a dog
looking at
butts.
us here.
Looking at us. Oh well, we don't care.
There's light bulbs for 99 cents.
One light bulb for 99 cents each.
Anyways, guys, so we're officially lost.
Haha.
I don't even know if we're gonna find our way out.
We'll find it eventually. We'll just keep walking this way. Keep walking. Just keep walking.
Alright,
Just
guys.
keep walking.
We'll be back.